What it do, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So this is gonna be last day with the advans. Believe it or not, this is the last day with the advans on. A guy hit me up on Facebook Marketplace. Gave me a decent deal, so I agreed on it. So today it's going down. The trade is going down today. I just cleaned it up a little bit. This is the last time seeing it aired out on the advans on the Type R. So the wheels that I got, I will show you in a few. So I can't find out the new wheel setup. Like pinched the airline. I was driving, and then out of nowhere, I see the PSI mad low. So I'm like, what's going on? Then I realized I had a feeling it was this right here. So got my airbag kit right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut a line and make a new one. Boom, just like that. Made it shorter. So I got a shorter loop to it, because it was all like sticking out like more from here to, there. So I just made it shorter. That way it won't rub against the tire, so it should be good. And then the back tire, I gotta take out a nail and then put a plug in it, so I'm gonna do that, fix that up right away, and then we should be good. I bet. So here's the nail that went through here. Got the plug kit. And I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. Replace that with that right there. No bubbles. And should be good. I see no bubbles. Good to go. Yes, sir. Alright, ladies and gents, here it is. Factory FL5 Type R wheels on the Type R. It looks nice. It gives it a different look to it. Has that matte black finish to it. Definitely looks nice. Had to put on the floaties. Feel me? A little detail. Had those on the other factory wheels. But yeah, here it is. Deal went through. Win-win situation, So he was happy with the deal, and I was also happy, you know, with the deal, the trade, and everything went nice and smooth. I gotta wash the car, so it really stands out with an aggressive look to it. Other than the white wheels, it really stands out a lot. And yeah, it looks nice, you know, like aired out. Nothing too crazy, not too flashy, not too simple. It's just right in between. So it's a perfect ratio. Yeah, here it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.